how to sum in Google Sheets. If you want to sum or add on Google Sheets, it is very simple to do so. Let's say you open up Google Sheets like this, right? There are, let's say, a couple of numbers that you would like to add over here. So basically, first of all, let me go ahead and change this. So let's say there is a number that you want to add just like this. You won't find the result by just typing this plus this. What you have to do first is in that particular column, you want to type in equals to. Once you type in equals to, you enter the number that you want to add. So let's say I want to add 50 plus 50. Then when I just hit enter, you'll be able to see it convert into a result. Now I can actually repeat this for, let's say, the minus as well. It doesn't necessarily have to be a plus. So type in equals to and type in whatever it is that you want to add right here and just hit the enter button and you'll see the addition of it. So I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.